Okay, Nimbulam Bolivinak everyone. Welcome to the Bexco Expo Center in Busan, Korea. This is the K Heritage House. It's part of an exhibition hosted by the city of Busan. And they are sharing with us the culture and heritage of this beautiful nation of Korea. So you will see in this building a lot of children and families that are coming in to see the history of their country. As you can see, this little kid coming in. I'll just show you very quickly how long the line is for families here wanting to go in and see this exhibition. The line has been long for the last hour or so. And there. So this is an exhibition that is going on for the whole of the time that we're here for the conference. So our conference and meetings is on the other side of the building, and this is for the community. And it's free to enter and to learn so much about the culture of Korea. One thing I admire is the involvement of the children. And they bring their children with them, the parents, the mom and the dad. I think that's something that we need to be encouraged to do in the Pacific. So here we are, outside of the building. The bus is there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we have to leave.
Okay. Awesome. Wow, look at the sky.
Yep.
All clear. So this is a real summer, eh?
Yeah, it is.
For
Hot.
wow.
Sometimes humid.
Yes. It is beautiful. I love it.
First time
Yes.
being in Korea.
Second time. First time was in Seoul
Seoul.
and first time to Busan.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, when I heard about Busan, I was really happy.
Yeah.
Opportunity to fly down to the south.
Oh.
Yes.
So how long are you gonna stay here?
I have another week to go.
Another week to go.
Yes, I'm really excited about that.
Okay, we are ready to go.
Okay, so this is our bus to our field trip. Naka Satayani Made. Okay. Right. Okay. Hello. Okay. Ooh. Nice. I am excited to see what's out there. Yes. This is awesome.
Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jin Won-seo. I'm the director of the Nakdong River Estuary Center, and I'm going to give you a guide tour for our sanctuary of the birds, migratory birds. And even though it's a hot summer, and I will try to give you, make it cool, mostly stay in car. Since it's gonna take another 40 minutes to get there, so please
nice.
fasten your seatbelt
Okay.
and we will hit the road.
Okay. Thank you. Bula people, Bula friends. So we're going on a field trip. We are
Just in
going.
case if anybody needs water, there's a cooler in front of us, so you can just request me or grab a bottle of water.
Thank you. Yeah, Bulivinak everyone. We are going to a marine sanctuary. I think it's also a bird sanctuary. So I'm wearing my sunglasses because it's hot. It's 10 in the morning and it's hot.
So how's the summer been in Berlin? It's been hot or
It's been
crazy hot?
only
air conditioning.
or something.
Yeah.
And
Bula
now
Bula
with my
people.
family, it's arranged.
We're gonna go for a ride today,
I'm like, oh,
and
it's cold now. Should don't have summer holidays and it's just cold.
Oh,
No, summer in Germany
uh,
and in Norway.
oh, it's been the same. Like May, June was just raining and cold. And then July, like from the 1st of July, it was 34 degrees, 35 degrees every day.
Crazy, right?
Crazy hot. And in Norway, our houses are built to keep the like
Yeah, yeah.
to keep the warm inside, you know. So,
That's something you don't want. That's very
so yeah, I was looking forward to come to Korea just to get an air-conditioned room. But now
Right,
it's
yeah.
back to
back to normal.
19, 20 degrees.
Yeah, that's the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, the hot weather was so crazy because also it stayed so warm during the night.
Yes.
Like we had the warmest nights ever in history. So it's crazy.
It's like you welcome it for a couple of days and then it just gets annoying. Yeah, so please go away.
It's cool one night and you
Yeah.
feel like, wow, you're like in the south.
Tawadziko na ndani ya basi kami nakachukua na filter. Sila ko patan. Malam. Wah, selera kamu naik. Bulan belum naka. Kalau tambah di tanah liu, itu tuh rumah main. Korea, saya bukan balik apa sih? Bukan dari cuma saya belum balik membuat. Lorena non rambulai very simple. Sama naman sala singin dari dalam tuka. Ibang bali Ito mo sa sugay wait to natital ni Wadi ano yung sa kanto. Ito na lang sarap kina na may matagal manuman ayika eratiki. Salamat sa tua o magay makmangal takayan nabi manumang reso era pule manumang buka ika patakin na kataleso kato na nirele na century na kanimari